Okay. I did a cone using stippling, a cube using cross-hatching, and now I'm going to do a pyramid doing hatching. All right. So to draw the pyramid, it's going to have a bottom kind of like the cube because it's got a square bottom. So I'm going to make 3 dots to sort of help me determine where those sides are going to be. And then the top of the pyramid is going to be even with this bottom corner. So I'm going to just sort of decide where that is. And then I don't have 2 hands, so I have to just freehand this. You guys would probably use a ruler to make sure your lines are straight here. Ah, see, that's why you need a ruler. That's going to have to be good enough. Okay, then again, I have to decide where my light source is coming from. Oh, I hope you guys could see that. I made 3 dots, a dot level with the, like straight up from the center dot, and then I connected all the dots. Okay, I'm going to have the light source again come from up here, so it's like shining down on it this way. So this is going to be the darkest area. It's going to be darker over here, slightly less dark next to where the lightest part is. I'm using hatching, which is just one line, or one direction of lines. They don't have to go across the whole pyramid. They don't have to do this. They can be short little ones if you want them to be. Oh, you can hear teachers in the hallway. No, it's okay. I'm making sure my hatching lines are going precisely up to the edge and not beyond it. Otherwise, you're going to look like you have a furry form. All right, here's one side. The lines are very close together and or overlapping, so it's got a dark value. Then this side is going to be the lightest side, and it's going to be like a medium value down here. So they're going in a different direction as this side. That doesn't mean it's cross-hatching because they're not crossing each other. They're just on one side of the form, so they can go opposite directions as long as they're on different sides. Okay, then they're going to get further apart as they go up the pyramid or across the pyramid. And then I'm going to make my shadow. So since it's more directly above the form, the shadow's not going to be as long. Just like at like the middle of the day, your shadow is closer beneath you. And then at the sunset, when the sun is more next to you, your shadow is longer. So since the light is pretty much right above it, I'm going to kind of follow that angle down. And I'm going to say that this point is like here. And it's again going to kind of look like a triangle. And it's darker next to the, I'm going horizontally here because that's the direction that the shadow is going, and so it kind of helps give it that illusion of going flat across the table. And then the lines are going to get further apart, further out along the shadow they go. Okay, pyramid and hatching. Okay, I rushed through these. I took about 6 minutes per form, which for 4 forms that would be 24 minutes. I don't expect you guys to finish in half of a class period. So yours should probably look as nice as mine, if not better, because I did mine quickly. You guys will not be doing them this quickly. And then the last one, you could do a shaded sphere. I'm not going to do that. You don't have to do that, but because we did that as a class, I'm not going to do that here in the videos. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 forms. Pretend that this is here. And 4 styles of adding value. Stippling, cross-hatching, hatching, and shading. There you go.